It's Candy Palace Residence. Our friend from Canada. This is Alex's room. Hi, Alex.
How's it going? I only made it.
You just arrived from Canada.
No last luggage this time.
All luggage already here.
Here, yeah.
Yeah, but it's good room.
It's perfect for one person. You know, like maybe $40 a night.
$40 a night.
Yeah.
You pay online?
Yeah. On Airbnb.
It's nice. And good view. Nice. Water also available.
Yeah, fresh water.
Two fresh water.
2 5-gallon drums.
Very nice. Refrigerator. Another side, Candy Tower 3. Shira today not sleep. So nice room, yeah? $40 is not expensive. I think in another country maybe more than 1,000 or 100, maybe 150.
But in Thailand we see safe days. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.